Kessel drops it off to Gino. Coming with speed for the neutral zone. They're all backing in. He shoots it off a stick. Gets in after it first. Throws it in front. Malkin just beating everybody to the puck right now. And he's got that next play ready when he gets there, like he did on the goal by Hornquist. Now Paquette dumps it into the Penguin zone, and back to get it goes Letang. Up the right wing out of the reach of Kessel. And Letang got hit hard on the end boards, and he's hurting right now.
He is.
Picks up the stick. He's favoring his right hand, it looks like, or right arm.
Who was that? Paquette that hit him?
And he stays on the ice. Callahan hit him. Letang just working now with one hand on the stick. And he's hurting for sure, but stays on the ice. And Fair banks it ahead to center. Letang's going to head to the bench, which is all the way across the red line. Centering pass just beyond the reach of Kuhnhackl as Russ tried to set him up going to the goal, and time expires here in the second period. And there's Letang. He's hurting.
Yeah, he really is in pain right now. Right hand is feeling the brunt of that hit, as the boards aren't going to give, and he's got his hand in between his body.